Hi everyone. In this video, we'll talk about the single responsibility principle. It clearly states that a class should have only one reason to change. What it means is that the class's focus should have a single responsibility only. Each module or class should encapsulate only one part of the functionality, and that responsibility should entirely be encapsulated by class. Why it matters? Because it improves the maintainability. Changes in one feature is not going to break anything else. It enhances readability. So if functions and responsibilities are separated for each of the class, it will be very simpler for us to read. Now it facilitates testing also. So smaller focused classes are easier to unit test. And it encourages reusability also. So we'll understand all of this with the help of the example. So this account class have these four private members, and we have a constructor, then we have a function save to database, then we have verify phone number functionality, then we have send notification database. So you see that this particular class is responsible to do too many things. For example, saving to database, then verify phone number, then sending notification as well. So clearly this is violating the single responsibility principle. So in order to correct this, let me create another package and I'll name this one as SRP. Okay, so here we'll write the correct class where it doesn't violate the SRP principle. So all these members will be there, and this constructor can also be there. Now anything related to saving to database, verify phone number or sending notification should not be there because these are different functionalities. So ideally the saving to database should belong to a repository class, then verification of phone number should belong to account service class, and send notification should belong to notification class. Let me create it. So this is account repository class where I should be saving it to database. New accounts, here we can give one comma, name is going to be, let's say, Comstein, and account type can be created, then phone number can be anything like 7890. Okay, and then this particular, and then we can return this account. Save to database, then okay, this should be long. Yeah, so clearly this account repository class is responsible to save this particular account to the database. Now coming to verify phone number, ideally it should be in a service class. So let me create a service class, and this particular service class, verification of phone number should be there. Ideally it should pass the accounts also. Verifying on okay. Then accordingly, if it is correct, then we can return. We can like write the logic later. And then sending notification part should be in a different class. Let me create another class that is notification. Yeah. So now notification class has send notification method. Now suppose you get a bug that you are unable to send a notification. Then suppose you have this 4 class, and now you can easily filter out that in which class that bug belongs to. For example, if we are unable to send any notification, so obviously it's going to be under notification class. Suppose if we are unable to check phone number or do anything related to account service, we should go inside service class and check the logic. And if we are unable to save it to database, then we should check the account repository class. This particular class has been divided into four different categories, and each class is responsible for only one thing. And so you can clearly see that it's very easy to maintain the code now. I know that currently it might be violating some of the principles, but at least with single responsibility principle, we are clear that all these 4 classes are not violating single responsibility principle. Thanks guys, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next lecture with open close principle.